there, and I hope you all have been a great day out there. My name is Annie Berry, and you know I will do it on Jiji TV. So this is me welcoming you all to Jiji TV. So today I'll be bringing to you 5 businesses that need influencers in Nigeria. Do not go anywhere. We will be right back. And number 1 is the United Bank of Africa, popularly known as UBA, looking out for the next generation campus ambassadors in Nigeria and across Africa. Here is the benefit, guys. Monthly subscription. You know how you can be sucking your data to watch all the videos in YouTube and Instagram. So UBA will be funding your monthly subscription. And also, you get the opportunity to attend an exclusive and VIP exclusive sponsored event by UBA. So you want to know more about this, all you need to do is to log on their website, uba.com, to get more information and apply for it. Who knows? And you will actually be the ambassador that will represent your campus in whatever UBA is involved in. And number 2 on my list is Alert by Wema. If you're very, very conversant, I know you must have been seeing probably them wearing this uniform in script with Alert by Wema. So should you want to be an ambassador to this great organization, all you need to do also is to follow the link showing on our description below. Get more information. You need to fill the form, guys, and put out some true information about you. Do not give false information, because that is very, very, very crucial. And number 3 on my list is CarryRise. CarryRise is a financial technology limited. So guys, you want to be an influencer for this organization, all you need to do is to visit the description showing below. And one thing that I love about CarryRise is the fact that you get easy access to any of the CarryRise futures and also VIP exclusive ticket to any of CarryRise events. You know what that means? So you want to make money at your early age? Come on, visit the description showing below. So moving on, next to number 4 is Indomie. Indomie. I know you all love Indomie, right? This generation actually grew up eating Indomie. Indomie is actually a very huge organization which on a steady go all out to get university ambassador. I mean campus ambassadors. You want to make money, you want to be Indomie ambassador, you want your face to be global. Check out the description for more information. I'm super excited about this one because this is for Jiji. Looking out for the businesses that need influencer is Jiji.ng. For you to be an ambassador and influencer for Jiji.ng, all you need is make sure you have more than or up to 10K followers on any of your social media platforms, either on Twitter or on Instagram or TikTok. And make sure you are creative. Like, you must be very, very creative. This is an opportunity for your face to be out there. So for you to get more information, visit the description, or probably you send us a DM on Instagram or on Twitter, Jiji.ng. And that's all for today on the businesses that needs or looking for influencers in Nigeria. Thanks so much for joining me this time. I really do enjoy this moment with you all, and make sure you watch and subscribe, like, share this video to everyone around you. You wouldn't know who will be of benefit to this great video. I still remain Annie Berry. See you some other time.